Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Dipavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 12. Suspected terrorists shot dead 5 labourers from West Bengal in South Kashmir's Kulgam district on Tuesday. This is the 6th in a string of incidents targeting non-residents in South Kashmir and the second in 24 hours, taking the death toll to 11. The terror attack also came on a day when a panel of European parliamentarians were visiting the valley to assess the ground situation there. The European Union delegation visited Kashmir on Tuesday amid a shutdown in the valley. Deserted roads greeted the MPs as they took a boat ride in the Dal Lake. Some locals complained that the MPs' visit was stage-managed. They alleged that the local delegation that met the lawmakers were handpicked by the government to conceal the real situation in Kashmir. The centre has decided against holding extravagant functions on October 31st when the reorganisation of Jammu and Kashmir takes effect. There are plans that the Lieutenant Governors of both the Union territories will be sworn in separately at Srinagar and Leh. The administration has ordered government officers and employees to continue holding their posts in the respective Union territories as a call is yet to be made on the distribution of human resources between the two UTs. As tensions rise between alliance partners Shiv Sena and BJP, the opposition is not losing any opportunity to drive a deeper wedge between the parties. An NCP cartoon today took a dig at the spat between Sena and BJP in Maharashtra, who are engaged in a tussle over power sharing. The NCP even said that it can think of offering support to Shiv Sena if it abandons the BJP. At an event in Riyadh, Prime Minister Modi said that his mission was to end poverty by giving the poor dignity. He said he hadn't learned about poverty from books but by living it himself. The Prime Minister said that when there is a change in India, then the figures in the whole world change. A Pakistani minister has made a ridiculous nuclear threat against the world. He said that countries backing India would be hit by missiles as they will be considered an enemy of Islamabad. The Minister for Kashmir Affairs and Gilgit-Baltistan, Ali Amin Gandapur's inflammatory remarks come at a time when Pakistan is being snubbed globally for its inaction against terror groups on its soil. UK members of parliament backed the call for a general election by Prime Minister Boris Johnson. UK is set to go to the polls on December the 12th. Prime Minister Johnson has been pushing for this election after months of deadlock over Brexit. The Prime Minister has said that the public must be given a choice over the future of Brexit and the country. Johnson hopes that the election will give him a fresh mandate for his Brexit deal. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.